Take it out.
Lesson 1.4. Insert hyperlinks in text and images. If you have text that you want to add a hyperlink to, type the word. I'm going to get my share link, copy it, and then return to my Google slide presentation. Now I can insert the link. Highlight the word, and then select the icon Insert Link. You can also use the shortcut Control-K and then paste the URL. Now this word is hyperlinked to this document. If I want to add a picture, I can also add a hyperlink. I'm going to select Insert Image from Drive, and I have this image that looks like a button. I'm going to rescale the picture, and then I'm going to once again select the insert link or Control-K and then paste the URL. Now this text has a hyperlink and this image has a hyperlink.